Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs. Today I'm doing a final review and it's of my cable organiser from a company called Envisioned. I've had it for 3 months. It cost just under £24 and it's been sitting on my desk over there minding its own business and doing what it's supposed to, which is organise my cables. It's quite a weighted item because it's got a metal block in there, so it just sits on the desk over there like that. And it does move about a little bit, but it's doing what it's supposed to do, which is to hold the cables into place. So it's doing its job. You can put 7 different cables in there, although I've only got 4 in there at the moment. Don't need 7 because I've now got a charging station, which is over there, you can't see. So all my other stuff goes over there because I've got too many things being charged up. So what do I think? Do I think it's going to get the thumbs up? Yeah, I'll give it a thumbs up. It's not cheap. Like I say, it's just under £24, so it's not the cheapest organiser in the world. But it also comes with 4 cable ties, which are Velcro ones, so they're reusable rather than just snip them off, throw them away. You can just unplug them or unstrap them and reuse them again. I'm using all of them at the moment on my cables that are running down the back, so I could do some more if anyone wants to send me any cable ties. Velcro ones, I've got plenty of the other type. So yeah, it definitely gets my thumbs up. I'm quite pleased with it. It's doing its job. Like I say, it does move about a little bit, but if you don't want it stuck down, this is probably ideal. So if you have any comments, please post them below. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. And thank you very much for watching. Oh, and please subscribe. Ta-da!